Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add admin on Facebook in 2025. It will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, if you have any page, you just need to go to the page. Once you come over here to the page, then you will actually add your admin in here. So you just need to go to the setting and then just click the setting options and then go to the setting. Once you come over here, then you will find out a couple of things. As you can see, page details, you can click with the page detail, you will able to see the page detail, but you don't need to go over here. So you just need to go over that place, page roles. So here let's find it out, what is the page roles option. So here you can see access and control option into the options. So here we have the options to deactivate the page, or not this one. So let's find it out where access your information. This is the options, but there is not the way we have deactive page and unpublished page or deleting your Facebook page. This is the not the way. So here you will get the option to add your admin. Let's see what is the problem here. Yes, we find out the solution. You just need to go over here, page setup, and here you just need to click on page access. Once you click over here, now you can easily add any admin in here. So you just need to click over here and search by name, or you can search by email. So let me search myself, and if you want to send, this is my Gmail, and let's find out. There is no person available, so let's find out the empty and let's see, does we have. Yes, you can see this one. If you want to give the full access, it means the admin one, you just need to give access and then provide your password. Once you provide your password and just click to the confirm, once you click over here, the admin password will be go over that place. So this way you can easily send admin access to your friends or your colleagues. So now you know exactly how you can add admin in your Facebook page. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.